My name is Jed Guinto and I will be your instructor. Now, in order to take this course, you need to have a beginner/intermediate skill level on Excel. If you understand how formulas work, then you're fine to come in. Otherwise, check out my other courses to get up to speed. Now, I'm going to introduce you guys to charts and graphs. The number of things you can apply this knowledge to is basically limitless. It is one of the best ways to really represent your data and communicate it on a visual level to another human being, and it's so easy. So I'm going to teach you guys how to introduce the chart to begin with, build it from the ground up, how to add all the axis labels you need, data labels, and so much more. Then we're going to finish it up with a few formatting techniques that will really make your graph stand out. Now, I've structured this course to have very short lectures, around 2 minutes each, so that we can get straight to the point of things. I've also designed this course to take around 30 minutes so that you can do it as quickly as possible, get the information you need, get back to the real world, and start applying what you learned immediately. So click that enroll button now and let me walk you through step by step how to build charts and graphs. I'll see you guys inside.